Hi, hi to everyone. In that last video, we seen about the type of instruction. There are three type of instruction: declaration instruction, arithmetic instruction. Next one is control instruction. We already explained about that in declaration and the arithmetic instruction and control instruction. Uh, but that control instruction have large area, so that we have to explain more. The control instruction have three types. First one is decision making statements, second one is looping statement, third one is jumping statements. In that video, we learn about decision making statements. Decision making statements means if the compiler make a decision based on the condition. If the condition is true, the compiler select one statement. If the condition is false, it will select another statement. Decision-making statements are otherwise called as selection statement or conditional statements. This will work based on conditions. There are four types of basic types of decision-making statements: if else, nested if, switch. The if else, nested if else are one-way selection and two-way selection statements, but that switch is the multi-way selection statement. Switch statement otherwise called as case statement also. How to decision making statements will work? Based on the condition, the condition true means execute the statement 1. After that, execute the statement 2. If the condition is false means directly execute the statement 2. In that flow chart, every condition will be intimated by the diamond shape, and the process or execute statements are indicated by the rectangle box. These are the mind map for the decision making statements. Simple if else, nested if else, switch. In one another if else statements is ladder if also, the type of decision making statements. In the slide, we explained the syntax in the decision making statements. If else have four types: if else, if else if, nested if. If else means that is the ladder, otherwise called as ladder if else statement. First type I will explain. First type is otherwise called as simple if statement. In the type, the if has one condition. If the condition is true means this block will be execute. If the condition is false means this block does not execute. Another type, if else statement. In this type, the condition is true means some block will be execute. The condition will be false means else block will be execute. uh, Based on the condition, true block or else block will be execute. True means if block execute, false means else block will be execute. This is the second type, if else. Next one is third, other if else if, that is otherwise called as ladder if statement. In that type, if has one condition, that condition true means execute that block. Another, the condition means false means else block go. Compiler read the else block. In that else block, another if condition has, that condition true means in that true block will be execute. That is called as ladder if statement. Simply say that else block has another if else condition, that is called as ladder if statement. One if else has another if else, as like that many if else statements means that is called as ladder if statements. Next one is nested if statement. Nested means within another. Yeah, if statement contains another if else statements means that is called as nested if statements. One if statement contains condition, that condition true means execute the this if else statement. If else statements in that inner condition true means the if block will be execute. When the outer condition true, only the uh, compiler enter into the inner if condition. Otherwise, it will skip on the else block. Else block also contain the another condition. Last one is switch case statements, multi-way selection. In the type, switch has one expression or condition. Based on the expression, case will be execute. If the expression value is 1 means case 1 will be execute. Expression value 2 means case 2 will be execute. Every case statement should be ended with break. If the any case statements does not match with the expression means the default statement will be execute. This is the switch statement syntax. These are the reference for the if and switch statement. Thank you.